Hi, and welcome to Love is Crafting.
Love is crafting.
I'm Tila.
And I'm Stanton.
And here on this channel, we like to take you through crafts and other DIY projects that are real, but not necessarily perfect because
love isn't perfect. In this video, we are going to be unboxing our newest toy to add to our crafting space.
Yes, this is the HTV RONT Auto Heat Press, and I'm so excited for it.
As you know, our last heat press, it heated unevenly, and overall, it's just hard to use. And from the reviews, this looks like it's going to be an upgrade.
Yeah, I think it made our project a lot harder than they needed to be. So come along with us while we unbox this bad boy, and make sure you like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Love is crafting.
Love is crafting.
All right, let's get this going.
I'm so excited. Can you guys tell? Like, super excited. Oh, let me move because I don't need you cutting me.
I know you're supposed to cut away from you, but I feel like I got less control when I do that.
Okay.
Oh, maybe that's why.
Yeah, that's definitely why. Guys, don't do what he does. Please don't do what he does. He's just always so dangerous. Safety first. Okay, so first we have the manual. And it comes with a cover, Teflon. Yes.
Teflon sheet?
Yes.
All right. You want to hold the box while I try to lift this up?
Yep.
Maybe we'll do. Actually, let's do it this way. We're going to go sideways.
Oh, and shimmy it out. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
You should have done it the other way so you could pull it.
Oh, you grab that side, I grab this side.
Where do you grab?
No, the styrofoam.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go. Maybe that's why I don't grab the styrofoam so hard.
Yeah. Definitely don't have to worry about it being damaged in transit.
Really? I'm gonna throw it again.
Oh, is that what made it fall? Okay. The box. All right. Here it is. It doesn't come with didn't come with anything else in the box, right?
Yeah, no, this is it. It's a one and done. To set it up, all you have to do is just plug it in, but we should possibly read the instructions first.
I
mean,
guess.
I know you're not an instruction person, but I feel like maybe we should.
Also not as good at crafting as you, so this doesn't come naturally to me, so maybe you are right.
It's just a bunch of precautions and don't burn yourself.
And as you see with this plug, this is a non-grounded appliance, which I'm surprised with the amount of heat that it should put off that it doesn't have a third prong, what I mean. So, but we'll see.
Okay, so here it is.
As we just plugged it in, and this little light is blinking. I don't know. You want to press it? Press the button.
Push the button. Go ahead. You can push the button. Ooh, okay, so this looks like it's the temperature screen or the temperature gauge.
We just let you know, this is just the frame rate. It's a solid. The numbers are solid actually on the device, but obviously the camera is picking up a different frame rate than this is putting out. So that happens.
Okay, that's what's going on. I was like, oh my gosh, what's happening? Okay, so here's the temperature. This looks like the time. Up, down. This looks like automation. I wonder what this one is. This is our mode button according to the directions, and this one is a custom. So maybe you can set, like if you do a certain
temperature in a certain time.
All the time, yeah, you just hit that and it goes there really quick.
I think it has maybe two different custom modes.
So that's pretty cool. All right, so let's pull this out. This slides. Ooh. Now my thing is this. Okay, this feels pretty sturdy. You can put something down on it. That's pretty cool, and it slides in and out very easily. The pressing mat already came here installed, so we didn't have to do anything. That's pretty cool.
Let's see how quick it gets up to temperature. So it's already climbing, obviously. That's already at 180.
What was it set at? Oh, 210. Okay. So it's heating up fast.
Yeah, that's a benefit.
Yeah, let's not do that. Remember, safety first.
Let's see if I can feel the heat coming off of it.
I'm excited.
So I think you have the option if you want to do it automatic. If you do it automatic, then you pull it out, you place your design, and when you push it back in, this automatically clamps. But if you don't want to do it automatic, you do have this nice little R button here. This is kind of like the Cricut button. Pressing that starts the press.
Right, so it's green when it's up to temp, and then so I guess if you put the automated button on there, then you know then as soon as you press start, it's gonna press it, and then it's gonna lift it up right away.
Okay,
and if you don't want it to do that,
push the time down to like low as it can go. You gotta press the time.
So what do we want to do, like a 5 seconds?
Low as it can go.
My lowest.
There you go. Okay, so you pull it, since it's on automatic, you pull it out and you push it back in. Boom. Automatically pressed. It was only for 1 second, automatically lifted up.
Oh, that's super cool. Okay, so you don't even have to press the start button.
Yeah, so you can turn off automatic, and then when you put it in.
So turning off automatic would come in really good when we do our sublimation hack where you have the powder coating and you just want it to hover over to set it.
Oh, the DTF?
Yeah, that will be really good.
I was thinking that's really good if you have a wife that is really indecisive and after she pushes it in, she's really not ready. So you gotta, she's gotta put it in and take it out probably 4 times until she's satisfied. But
listen, you just don't want to make a mistake, okay? Don't judge me.
Go ahead,
so
press the
how
green
high
button.
do you think this goes up? Like what's the highest temp?
I don't know. We'll see. Goes in increments of 5. See what happens if you hold it. Nothing. Okay. So you gotta press.
Push the button. 410. Oh, that's pretty good. I mean, that's 400 is about where you need for sublimation, so I'm good with it.
Okay. I didn't know that. Learn something new every day. I probably should know that, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, let's you want to go try to find a project to do on this?
Yeah, let's take it out for a spin. Okay, so right here we just have a basic cotton Gildan t-shirt. We are going to pre-press it so that it can get any moisture out, and we're just going to do this just for a couple of seconds. And we're not going to have it on the automated portion of it. I wonder how you do this. If you don't want it, you just press it, and then when you want it to stop, you just press it again.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's how that worked. So that's.
So you only need to press it for a couple seconds for that.
Yep.
Preheat it.
And because this is just something to play with, I don't need to fold it in the middle and get it exactly because I don't care. This is just practice. and we're just playing with this shirt. So we have our lovely little saying there, and we now need to go ahead and cover it with the what's that thing? The Teflon sheet. And this is super cool because it came with it, so that's awesome.
I think we already scuffed it up.
Yeah. Do you want to do it on the automated, or do we want to?
Yeah, let's go automated. Why not?
So we'll put on the automated setting, and then we close it, and it does its thing. Ooh. Now the thing that got me on this heat press is it's supposed to auto adjust the pressure based on whatever is put underneath it. So that's kind of cool.
That is cool, but I do wish that they had the option to select your own pressure, just in case you want a different pressure than this machine thinks that you should have.
Let it cool a little bit. Feel that. Okay, so this is giving a little bit. So maybe we need to press it longer. Actually, we do need to press it longer. So 15 seconds wasn't long enough, or 12 seconds wasn't long enough. So we're going to change the time, and we're going to go up to, let's do 15 seconds?
Yeah, because it already pressed it once.
So we're going to do 15 seconds. Oh yeah, so now we just doubled the time. Probably wasn't the best idea.
I'll be fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine. And this is just regular HTV Caesar Easy Weed, so it's nothing specific or special. That's not.
I heard if you snatch it off quick, it comes off better.
I think I need to let it cool a little bit before I snatch it off. I'm sure it's a warm feel, not a hot feel, but I just never have any patience. Patience and Tila don't really go well together.
Go, just go. Just go.
Yeah, I think I don't know.
Not hitting it like that. Just go down and then throw it back in there for like.
I think you're doing too much heat.
I think that should be good. There you go. All right, so everybody knows with your heat press, you gotta do a little trial and error so that way you get to know your heat press. We still need to do some trial and error with this one, but I think overall it's probably a good package.
Yeah, I agree.
Thanks for watching, and remember, love is crafting.